Hi guys, today we're going to replace the cabin air filter in our 2016 Scion TC. We'll use this Bosch cabin air filter. The model is called 6055C. This one is HEPA air filter. HEPA means high efficiency particulate air. Filtrates 99.97% of particles. It eliminates allergens, pollen and dust. And I'll show you guys here in description. It says HEPA standards provides filtration efficiency of 99.97% at 0.3 microns. Again, what this all means is that it's just more efficient than your regular air filter, and this is actually the comparison. They show you the structure of the filter, and as you can see, this one is more dense. This is how it looks. Right now we will remove the original and I'll show you guys how to do it. First of all, open your glove box. Now in the Scion, just press on both sides of the box. There are two claws here. Then you can simply pull it off, and right here you will see where it gets connected. Right here, on this side and on the other. Then you will see this plastic cover, which needs to be removed as well. Simply pull it off, and behind it you will see another white cover. In this case, press this lever, remove the cover, and this is our cabin air filter currently installed in the vehicle. Let's take a look at it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's very dirty, and case if you don't know, we do recommend to replace them once per year. In this vehicle it has been, looks like it has been longer than that, but again, you should avoid having this condition because it stops filtrating the air properly. This is how the new one compares to the original. Again guys, look at the amount of dirt in here. This one is clean. And another thing you have to pay attention to is the airflow. So in case of our Scion, air flows from top to the bottom, and these two arrows point the airflow, and this will be the top side. This is how you have to install it. So I will simply put it in like this. This is the face. Just push it in all the way and then insert the cover. That's it. The replacement is complete. I will reinstall this plastic trim, so these hooks go inside here, and then the top ones go right here. Push it in, make sure it goes all the way. The glove box, align these together on both sides, push them in, and then again press and push, and the glove box is on. I'll show you guys the box again. This is Bosch 6055C. I will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.